Budget kitchen remodel. This is the under cabinet range hood. This is the one we went with. It's a little less, I think it was like $250 or $300. This is Hauslane. This is their 30-inch built-in model. I think it's the R100. This is what it looks like with the lights on. This is installed backwards, I think, of what it's supposed to be, because my wife wanted the controls on the left side. And so that meant I had to turn the whole thing around. Here's your blowers. Low. And it's not very loud. Medium, a little bit louder. High, actually surprisingly quiet on high. Anyways, there's the built-in model. Let me show you what it looks like inside the cabinet. So the dimensions on the website were accurate. If you look those up, I forget exactly what they were. Runs into, this ducting didn't come with it. That was my ducting because I had to run it out the wall. And other than some peculiarities in my house, the install was pretty simple. If you already had a hole punched in the wall, which I didn't, it would be a lot more easy. But there you go. Hauslane under cabinet built-in range hood.